Have you heard about the keto diet but still feel confused about how it actually works? Healthy keto is not about cutting carbs blindly or eating unhealthy fats. It is a smarter and more balanced approach that focuses on clean fats, whole foods, and metabolic health. In ketosis, your body switches from using sugar to using fat as its main fuel source. When carbohydrates are reduced, the liver produces ketones, which can fuel both the brain and muscles efficiently. This metabolic shift may help with steady energy levels, reduced hunger, better focus, and gradual weight loss. Your body stores thousands of calories as fat, but only a small amount as sugar. Ketosis allows your body to access this long-term energy reserve naturally. Ketones are not harmful by default. Nutritional ketosis is different from diabetic ketoacidosis, which is a medical condition. For healthy individuals, the body regulates ketones naturally. Healthy keto is not a crash diet, it's a lifestyle shift focused on better fuel choices. I've shared the full written beginner guide on my blog, so make sure to visit urshiaworld.com for all the details. This video is for informational purposes only.